Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now click on this tools option, this menu bar and select edit option, and now select that protection option and select security properties, and properties dialog box now open and select a security option, and there is showing no security as selected. There are two kinds of security: password security, software security, and I selected password security. And this is to open security and type your password here or create new password, and simply select OK. Open password and select OK. OK. Now close your PDF file. Yes, and see this, and you have to type password and open this document. And select OK and say this key option and lock option showing here, and this is in this way you can lock your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.